Hi there, gorgeous, and a very happy money-saving March to you. If you haven't heard, for the whole month of March, I am doing nothing but drugstore videos 5 days a week. So please subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos coming out this month. I have received so many wonderful comments from so many of you, and I want to say thank you so much about my skin and saying how great it looks. And I just want to say how amazing that is that you've been noticing. And the only thing I can think that I've been doing differently is I've been using sheet masks, and I'm a little obsessed. These are just what I've been collecting for the past, I want to say, a year. Companies would send them to me. I had friends send them to me, and I was never ever on board with the idea. I was rather skeptical. I thought, ugh, that's just a waste of time. I don't need to do that. But it wasn't until a very good friend of mine, who I trust explicitly when it comes to skincare advice because she really knows what she's talking about, gave me a subscription to a company called Facetory for Christmas this past year. And Facetory is basically a monthly subscription box that gives you sheet masks. I'm not affiliated. This is not sponsored. I really did get a gift from her, and I really have been using them for the past 3 months or so now. And because of my trust for Kara, hi Kara, mwah, love you, I said, let me try these out. And she was the person who turned me on to these. And ever since I started using them in December, a lot of you started noticing my skin. And my husband was even noticing my skin. And he even asked me, is it those ghost masks that you use? Is that why your skin looks that way now? He makes fun of me every time I wear these. But you know what? The results speak for themselves, don't they, hubby? So what are sheet masks? For those who don't know, because not everybody does, I'll read to you what it says here on Google. It's a face-shaped sheet fabric, say that 3 times fast, soaked in nutrition-packed solution called serum. The sheet is made up of a variety of materials, including papers, fibers, or gel. It's used once, individually packaged. It's very fast, convenient, and easy to use. And you generally put a sheet mask on for anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. You don't want to let them sit on your face longer than that, because I have read that if you go longer than that, it can actually start to have the opposite effect, and the sheet mask will start to suck the moisture back from your face. So very important to stick to that 10 to 20 minute time frame when wearing a sheet mask. A good majority of the sheet masks that I'm sharing with you here today did come from Facetory, and I have gone back and purchased them individually, so you don't need a subscription box to try any of these out. And if you're interested in any of the sheet masks I'm sharing with you here today, I will have all of them listed and linked for you below. Now those links will be affiliate links, so if you click through and purchase, I'd like to say thank you in advance. First one I have to share with you is called Ace That Face. This is a collagen mask, and I wanted to bring up each of these on my phone so I can speak intelligently about each of them. This one contains hydrolyzed collagen. It says it's a moisturizing ingredient that plumps your skin and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains a mushroom extract that has skin rejuvenating beta glucans that can help hydrate, heal, and prevent premature aging. And this face mask is incredibly wet. That's typically what I go for when I am using a sheet mask. I like a lot of juice. They call it essence, I call it juice. But I've used some sheet masks in the past that didn't have much essence to them, and they were rather dry when you put them on your face. And when you took them off, it was almost like, why did I apply that to my face for 20 minutes? There weren't really any effects there, but it's with the ones that have a lot of essence that I noticed the most results. And this one was extremely hydrating. It made my skin feel very soft afterwards, and it just looked brighter to me. So this is one that I highly, highly recommend. Another one that I swear by is also from Facetory. This is called I Want Perfect Makeup, and you apply this one before your makeup application. If you've ever seen my face look very shiny before I begin tutorials here on YouTube, it's usually because I applied this mask before I ever started the makeup application on camera. And this mask is softening, moisturizing, and contains pore tightening properties. It contains green grape extract, which is rich in vitamin E, which is a very well-known skin moisturizer. It also contains apple extract, which is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, and this is what helps to reduce the pores and acne. It also contains a lavender extract, which is antiseptic and antifungal, and it combats bacteria, helps to heal wounds, and prevent breakouts. And again, it's one that I absolutely love to apply before doing my makeup application. This next mask is one that was rather odd. When I first used it, I thought, this is just strange. What makes this mask so strange is that it does not have a cutout for your mouth. And at first I thought, this is really, really odd. I felt like Hannibal Lecter. But it's designed that way to help keep some of the essence on your lips, because your lips are skin too. They need moisture just like the rest of your face. So I thought that was a very unique quality about this mask, and I really love how smooth and hydrated my skin felt afterward. This mask contains Rosa centifolia flower water, which has vitamins and antioxidants to help moisturize dry skin, gold extract, which I don't really buy the whole gold thing in skincare. It just, I don't know. I think it's a marketing ploy myself. It also contains chamomilla flower extract, and this helps to relieve inflammatory skin conditions and helps to calm skin. And I will say that about this mask, it is very calming and soothing on the skin, and the fragrance is absolutely delightful when you do wear it. So this is another one that I highly recommend. This next sheet mask is from a company called Peach and Lily. This is their Shrink Pores sheet mask. It contains willow bark and soybean extract, and it says it has hydrating rose, brightening citrus, clarifying cinnamon, and other natural ingredients combined to help firm skin and reduce the appearance of pores. I personally did not care for the scent with this one, but that's a personal thing. It could be the willow bark, I think, because I'm not a real fan of that scent. So didn't like that aspect of it, but I really loved how my skin looked and felt after using this mask. So despite my not liking the scent, it is one that I will continue to use simply because it looked gorgeous afterwards. This next mask is another one from Facetory. This is their Sun Bay Soothing Mask, and it contains aloe and shea butter, both to soothe and hydrate the skin and help to moisturize the skin's barrier. And this is one that they say to use after the sunny day at the beach, and I could absolutely see that. This is a great one for the summer months because it is so calming and soothing to the skin, and it leaves your face feeling so hydrated afterwards. And the mask itself is incredibly soft. I loved the material of the mask, so highly recommend. This next mask is one that I found at Walmart of all places. They have a whole display of sheet masks that are relatively inexpensive, so I wanted to try one out, give it a go, and I ended up really loving this one. It's the Revitalizing Rose Petal Sheet Mask. Now, this mask contains hyaluronic acid and collagen and is very moisturizing to the skin. It also has witch hazel, which helps to tighten pores according to what it says here on the website, but I really enjoyed this one. It does have a rose scent to it. If you don't like rose as a scent, then you wouldn't like this mask, but if you can get past the scent, the benefits that it leaves your skin with after you're done using it are wonderful and definitely worth struggling through the scent, much like I did with the Shrink Pores mask. The last one I have to share with you is a favorite. This was probably the second or third mask I used when I first started using sheet masks, and I thought, whoa, if this is what a sheet mask is, this is amazing. And this, yes, I've purchased at least 5 of these by now. This is the Tamisense Revitalizing All-in-One Mask. This mask is best used at night. I will warn you now. It's not something that you want to use during the day or before your makeup application because it's very thick, rich, and heavy. And the serum is overly moisturizing, which I really, really love the most about this mask. It's one of those that I can put on before I go to bed, and when I wake up in the morning, I will still feel the essence on my face. It's not greasy. It's a very smooth, soothing feeling, but it's still there. And I like that quality because I know that it was on my skin all night and it's doing its job. It's actually working to help hydrate the skin. So when you splash some water over your face in the morning after having this on all night, your skin feels so incredibly soft, and that is why I keep going back to this mask. I absolutely love it. So if you have dry skin especially, and you're looking for something that will provide you with intense hydration, you would really love this one. But I have an oily complexion and I swear by it, so I feel like it could go for either dry or oily complexions. Aww. I have a sitter watching the kids for me right now so I can film some videos. This is so sweet. I'm gonna share this. She just texted me that Jet is giving you hugs and kisses through the wall. Because the way that my studio is set up, I'm actually on the other side of Jet's wall. Like Jet's wall to his bedroom is on that wall of the studio. And she got this picture of him. Let me show you this. Oh my gosh. That is him giving Mama hugs and kisses through the wall. How sweet is that? Oh, my husband taught Jet that I'm in here by knocking on the wall. So he'll knock on his bedroom wall and I'll knock back from being inside the studio. So he has figured out that I'm in here. That is so sweet. Whether you've been wearing sheet masks a lot and you're looking for a new one to try, or if you're just starting out and you're really not sure which ones to begin with, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any favorites that you are using all the time, feel free to share yours below too. I am always looking for new ones to try. And I highly recommend the Facetory subscription box. Once mine is up and my gift subscription is over with, I think I want to subscribe to them because I'm really impressed by the amount of sheet masks I've been getting and the quality of the sheet masks I have been receiving. So I'm really, really happy with them. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Please subscribe for more videos in Money Saving March, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.